Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the 4 best substrates for growing mushrooms at home. Watch till the end to find our best recommendations from the list. Our list begins with straw. Dried stalks of cereals such as wheat, barley, or rice are among the best substrates for growing mushrooms such as oysters, garden giants, and enokitake. Straw is more desired because it can hold moisture and is quickly pasteurized. Besides, straw is easily available and affordable, reducing the mushroom's farming costs. Straw also has balanced carbon and nitrogen levels, making it a desired alternative to other substrates. Considering the straws with the best nutritional content and physical structures is important for better results. More fibrous straws are suitable because they provide an ideal surface area for rapid growth and colonization of mushrooms. Add gypsum, bran, or commercial supplements to the straw and maintain moisture content at around 65 to 75% during the growing cycle to improve yields. Sawdust. Another suitable substrate for growing mushrooms at home is sawdust. Mushrooms such as king oyster, lion's mane, shiitake, and reishi thrive well in sawdust. The ideal sawdust is fine textured hardwood particles because they can be easily sterilized or inoculated and provide a nutrient-rich, natural environment for growth. Compared to other substrates, sawdust provides a large surface area for mixing supplements and can also be used alongside other substrates, such as soybeans, for improved yields. Additionally, sawdust is porous, ideal for moisture retention and nutrient absorption, and it provides a natural structure for mushroom growth. Compost. Compost is also an ideal substrate for growing mushrooms at home. Unlike other substrates, compost is limited to giving the best results for button mushrooms and its variants. Since compost comprises mixtures of organic materials such as kitchen waste, chicken waste, agricultural waste, and animal manure, it contains various nutrients necessary for growing mushrooms. The compost must undergo thermophilic composting, turning and sprinkling water for weeks to kill weeds and pathogens and achieve the desired balance of nutrients and ammonia levels. Additionally, supplements can help improve the quality and quantity of mushroom yields when using compost. Coffee grounds. The coffee ground also forms a greater substrate for growing coffee. This type of substrate is suitable for growing oyster mushrooms. Coffee ground is desirable because it is rich in nitrogen, organic matter, and minerals that promote the growth of mushrooms. Combined with vermiculite, it becomes more aerated, ensuring an optimal airflow for mushroom growth. Like other substrates, it also requires substrates to improve yield. Which is the best? Straw is the best substrate for growing mushrooms at home because it is easily accessible, can be used to grow a variety of substrates, and can be easily prepared compared to other substrates. Straw also holds more moisture, which is necessary for growing mushrooms. Additionally, straw contains balanced carbon and nitrogen for growth and is highly fibrous for rapid colonization. Thanks for watching.